Alright guys, so we're going to look at another example of solving inequalities. This one has a couple more steps, but don't just remember, we follow the same process as solving equations. The only difference is how we interpret our solution. So I'm going to look to distribute. I look for parentheses. Here I see some on the left-hand side. So that means I must distribute. This 2x can just come down. There's nothing to distribute with him. But we have 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. There's an x there. Then 3 times 8 is 24, positive. Okay. This is a less than symbol. We bring it down. And we have negative 8x minus 4. So we've gone ahead and distributed. And now we want to see if we can combine like terms. So on the left-hand side, I see a 2x, a negative 6, and a positive 24. We can combine our x's, so we have 2 and negative 6, so that's 2 minus 6 is equal to negative 4x. The 24 comes down because it cannot combine. I have a less than symbol, and nothing on the right-hand side combines because we have a variable and a constant, and those do not go together. So we've combined our like terms. Now we look for variables on both sides of the equation. I can see that I have a negative 4x and a negative 8x. So I want to pick on the little guy here. Now remember, when we're dealing with negatives, it's actually the bigger number that's the little guy. So negative 8 is the little guy in this case. So we're going to add 8 to both sides. So we have negative 4 plus 8 is equal to 4. So we have 4x plus 24 is less than negative 4. Okay, awesome. So we've picked on the little guy, and now we're just going to box our variable and solve. So boxing, we need to isolate. So that means get rid of this positive 24. So we're going to subtract 24. And we now have that 4x is less than negative 4 minus 24. It's negative 28. So we've isolated our variable. The last step would be to divide by the constant in front of the variable. So we divide by 4. We have x is less than negative 28 divided by 4. Negative 7. Okay, so we check, is our variable on the right? Nope, it's on the left, so we're good, we're done. As long as it's on the left-hand side, we're done. And so remember, this is our solution, and it's a whole set of x values, right? It says any x value less than negative 7 will make this inequality true. So it's not just one value, it's a whole solution set, we call it in mathematics.